In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam keeps logging me out. If Steam keeps signing you out over and over, don't worry. This is usually caused by a small connection, cache, or system setting issue, and in most cases, it's pretty easy to fix. I'll walk you through a few practical things you can do to help Steam stay signed in properly. First, restart Steam and your PC. Begin by completely closing Steam instead of just minimizing it. Open the Steam menu in the top left corner and choose Exit. This makes sure the app fully shuts down in the background. After that, restart your computer. A full restart can clear temporary glitches, refresh background services, and fix small authentication issues that may be causing Steam to log you out repeatedly. Once your PC comes back on, open Steam again and check if the problem is resolved. Next, check your internet connection. Steam relies on a stable connection to maintain your login session, so if your internet keeps dropping or fluctuating, Steam may lose authentication and sign you out. Make sure your connection is working properly and try loading a few websites or running another online app to confirm everything is stable. If you're on Wi-Fi and the signal is weak, moving closer to the router or reconnecting to your network may help. Even brief interruptions can sometimes trigger login problems. If the issue continues, clear Steam's download cache. In Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and select Clear Download Cache. This removes temporary download-related data that may have become corrupted. Keep in mind that once you do this, Steam will ask you to sign in again, so that part is normal. After logging back in, monitor Steam for a bit and see whether it stays signed in more reliably. Another important thing to check is your system date and time. Steam uses secure authentication, and if your computer's date, time, or time zone is incorrect, that can interfere with login validation. On Windows, open your date and time settings and make sure the options to set the time automatically and set the time zone automatically are enabled. Let your system sync, then reopen Steam. This small setting is often overlooked, but it can make a real difference. Those are the main fixes to try if Steam keeps logging you out. Start with the simple restart, then confirm your internet is stable, clear the download cache, and make sure your date and time are syncing correctly. In many cases, one of these steps is enough to solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.